Welcome student. In the previous lecture we come up to the lesson that is the odd one. We completed that lesson. You have to write down the workshop, that is the exercises of this lesson, and uh, send it on my personal number. Now in this lecture we will start the new poem, that is 1.3, in time of silver rain. In time of silver rain. Okay. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. So here the poet it's called that there is a rain, and after rain the earth started its new life. The green grasses grows and the flower lift their heads. So when the rain started, uh, the green grasses started to grow and the flowers lifted their heads, and over all the plain, means all on the ground, the wonder spread. The wonder spread. Wonder means the something uh, something a wonder spread all over the ground, all over the earth, and of life. The wonder is of life that spread all over the earth. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift a silken wing. So when the rain goes on, the butterflies grows and they gets a new wings. That is that wings are silken wings, means they are transparent wing. Okay. They lift means getting. The butterfly gets a new wing, a silk wing, to catch the rainbow cry, to follow the rainbow that spread into the sky. The the butterfly gets a new wings to follow that rainbow which spread into the sky from one place to another, to catch the rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing. So in the rainy season the new leaves comes to the trees, in joy beneath the sky. Beneath means downward. Okay. Under, as down the roadways passing boys and girls goes singing, means in the cities this happened. The first thing of that happens in the jungles, or in the forest area or a hilly region, uh, and the second thing is happen it also happens in the um, forest. But the joy of the boys and girls who passing on the roadways with a singing song, under these at the time of this silver rain, uh, it is a time of a spring. These boys and girls also goes or passing on the road with the singing song due to this rainy season. um, when spring and life are new, means the here the poet, that is Langston Hughes, explain the concept that when the rainy season comes, the whole world begins to new just like the new green grasses comes, new life started of the meaning creatures or insects, the uh, the rainbow also come into the sky. It is also spread into the sky, and the insect follow that uh, insect like the butterfly follow that rainbow and fly here and there on the flowers, just like that butterfly. The boys and girls also hopping on the road and wandering here and there at the time of silver rain. This is the poem which is written by the poet. The name of the poet is the Langston Hughes. Okay, the name of the poet is the Langston Hughes. So in this poem, in the rainy season, whole mountains and the plains covered by the greeneries, and a rainbow also come into the sky. The butterflies, here is the picture of butterfly with having the new wings. That butterfly also try to go upward to follow the rainbow in the sky. And the next picture shows that in the cities, the here is the picture of the boys and girls who goes to the school under this with that umbrella, also becomes very joyful in the rainy season while wandering here and there, because all every the whole surroundings becomes joyful due to this rainy season. Okay, so this is a small story with with the informations about the rainy season, that the life started in this rainy season. A new life started in the this rainy season, uh, of the way of the different insects and different animals, and the boys and girls also wandering with the joyfully. So the poet gives the concept poet gives the concept to the rain, that is the rain is a silver rain. Okay, silver rain, because the water does not have its own color, but when it puts on the put here the drops on the earth, it gets mixed with the that area. Okay, uh, and it gives a new life to the grasses, it gives a new life to the flowers, and it gives the new life to the whole greenery. That is the wonder spread. That greenery is called as a wonder spread. Like that, the new insects got birth in this time. That is the like a butterfly also get their new wings. That is the silken wings, means transparent wings, which lift him up to catch the rainbow cry, means a rainbow, to follow the rainbow, or that butterfly try to catch that rainbow which come into the sky. The trees put forth new leaves to sing in the joy beneath the sky. So beneath means the under. Under the sky, the trees also started to sing a new song of joy, and through the having a new leaf. And the boys and girls also passing on the road with the joyfully with the singing song at the time of this rainy season when it is a spring. Okay, so this is the joyful poem about the rainy season. it gives the informations the what happenings at the time of rainy season. Every area, every surroundings uh, becomes a very joyful in this rainy season. Okay, so it conveys a small meaningful poem, that is the time of silver rain. So here we completed this poem. Now we have who the here is the information about the poet, that is the Langston Hughes. He was an American writer and activist who won many awards for his work. He started a new style of writing poetry in which the rhythm and the spontaneous expressions are important in this poem. He describes how rain brings a joy and life. So here is the English workshop to find rhyming words at the end of the line. Poem aloud, read the poem aloudly using the proper intonation. If you were to draw a landscape on the basis of this poem, what elements will you show in it? What color will you use? So there are many things in the poem that gives us more information about the rainy season. Both the stanzas have a great gives different types of words that refers to the rainy season. Okay, like a new life again, green grasses grows, flower lift their heads. So the flower lift their heads means they grow. Wonder of a life spread. These words gives the sign that there is a rainy season. Okay. Okay, now here is a language study, that is the grammatical part, figure of speech, that is the alliteration. Alliterations means when the same sound occurs at the beginning of two or more words in the same line, it is called as a alliteration. For example, Naina needs new notebook. Here N comes again and again. So it is an example of alliteration. So here are the some examples that you have to find out from this poem, that words come again and again, or it is an example of alliteration. Okay, so here we completed this poem. And you have to read this poem, write down it, and write down the exercises given below. Okay, so student, we will stop here.